As 2026 is starting to get closer and closer, I thought it would be the perfect moment for a glow up or makeover, however you call it. Right before the end of the year, I had 2 weeks free, 2 weeks without work, and I thought it would be the perfect moment to do that. Not only am I preparing for you a video where I talk about this makeover so that you can do it for yourself, but I'm also starting this series of video where we're gonna have one vlog a day where I bring you with me for my 2026 makeover. Okay, I lost you guys. The plan for today, so I have 2 weeks coming up, 2 weeks free, and 2 weeks free means a lot of free time to do lots of things. I started yesterday to work on a Miffy keychain because I see it everywhere, like on those things, and I started to do it as a crochet thing. Just need a few more materials, which I'm gonna go get right now. I'm in the worst attire possible. I have those green jeans with those boots. I put zero effort, also because I have my periods, so don't expect too much out of me. It's the first day, so tomorrow is gonna be the real harsh survival mode. There's this French content creator that used to do this in August, does this every day. I was like, you know what, maybe I show myself this challenge of trying to do a vlog every day, and it forces me to actually have an active day. If I see my friends, then you come with me, but most of the time I'll spend it alone because that's how I live. I'm really like a craft person who likes to spend time on her own, watch shows and stuff. I woke up at 6 and I went back to bed and I woke up at 10. Now we're going to get a few more materials to finish my little Miffy keychain. Hopefully I find enough stuff. Let's go. Can you see the doggy? The doggy. Hi doggy. Oh, the second one. Hi doggy. They're so cute. You too. The doggies were so cute. Anyways, after this little encounter, it was time to actually focus on the road to go to Michael's. When are we? Oh, I see the flag. We're almost there. The plan is to get, you know, those needles when you crochet to, I don't know the word, to make sure that the yarn ends up being inside of the plushie. And a smaller needle for his eyes. I bought buttons, but I don't think I'm gonna use that. Apart from this, we're good. I was thinking of some black ribbon. I might do more than just one and sell them. Not right now because I'm not allowed to. As an au pair, I can't sell anything. This red light is too long. That's what I hate about the US, how like some red lights are so long. You have those huge streets like you imagine them, and if you have a small street crossing those big streets, you can wait up to like 5 minutes and your light is gonna be on for like 20 seconds. Please breathe. Oh, I just had to ask. It's green. Is it here? I see Ross and I think it's right next to Ross. Michael's! Uh-oh, wrong turn. Michael's, here I come. You can go ahead because I want your spot. Grandpa is too long. Grandpa, you're too long. Oh no, it's the exit. Never mind, that was not a strategic move. Let's see if we're correctly parked. Let's park together with the... Not very straight. Come on, Grandpa, get out of here. My bad, Grandpa, my bad. Leafy keychain. Here we go. And finally, we arrive at Michael's. The Christmas decorations were everywhere. But let's stay focused on the target. We need to find needles. I immediately went for the yarn section and I had to look for a long time to find this crochet needle to weave in the ends. At first I found them in crochet packs, but the problem is I'm not gonna pay 22 bucks just for one needle. That's the only thing I need in the package. I ended up finding one that I think is gonna be perfect for my need. It's so much better than the one that I used to have, and with its smaller needles that I think I really need. Then let's go straight to the ribbon section. I really wanted to add a little ribbon on Miffy's ear, and I found this one which I think is perfect. And somehow the only day where I go out without my water bottle, I see signs everywhere to remind me how thirsty I am. Anyways, time to pay. I took this big needle, the small ones, and the ribbons. Alrighty, we got everything we need. Let's go home. Time to show you my parking skills. Look at this. Thank goodness when I passed the test. What is this guy doing? Give me a second. Probably a man. Well, to say that, yeah, thank goodness when I passed the test, it just asked me to do a reverse. I didn't have to park. I'm gonna go get some sushi because I didn't eat much this morning and I'm starting to starve, seriously. I have no energy with my period to actually cook. Bye. This person is so slow. Who is that? Oh, Grandpa, my bad, sorry. Plan is eating, finishing Miffy, going to the mall to see the one and only Dylan Ramos. If you're not following him on Instagram, what are you guys doing? He's amazing at taking pictures. If you're near Atlanta, what are you waiting for? You ask for a photo shoot. He does it for free right now, or like maybe on donations, but definitely text him because I think it's possible for you to have a free shoot. List of things to do for today. Reactivate electricity in this room because the lamp worked, but not this part behind you where I usually have the microwave. I put it all the way back there for it to work. Emily, an electrician, and probably clean my room. Why isn't it opening? Please. Here you go. Where are my chopsticks? Let me check what the box says. The box says 1.5 minutes. The idea is to pick up the camera because Dylan brought it with him while he's at work. I'm probably gonna get like a little dessert or something because my belly needs chocolate. My belly needs chocolate. My belly needs chocolate. My belly also probably needs rest. I'm not sure dancing is a good idea right now. And I think I'm gonna make a bigger video, 2026 makeover, but right now, just like vlog makeover. Maybe I'll do it next year too. I kind of enjoy doing this right now. So the plan. I have 25 minutes to eat and finish Miffy. Then I have to rush to the mall to get the camera and see the guy. And then when I come back, it's cleaning my room, cleaning the cup holders in the car, and planning the makeover over those 15 days. I honestly can't wait. I think it's going to be a cool series of videos. My room is officially a mess. I didn't even take time to clean it up this morning. Last night, I had like a little show/movie night. Just sat down and relaxed. And then I did craft, made it even worse. We're going to take care of this afternoon. I think it's going to be a satisfying before or after. Let me go get my stuff. So this is the Miffy. I think this is going to be the back because you can see like here there's holes that are not well closed. This part is a little better. I think it's even better than the one that I used to have because this one is so long that when I do bigger plushies and I need to put something like from the top to the bottom, it will be way easier. Let's hide these guys. I don't even know how to do it correctly. Let me look online real quick. All right, let's focus. I didn't look it up. I ended up scrolling on Instagram. This time I actually looked it up. I know how to do it now. It worked. I was scared there would be holes and stuff, but it actually worked. Here we go. Miffy's clothes. We have a head. We just need to add the nose and the eyes. I think I'll do it at the mall. It's starting to be late, so I really need to go. Got the light. I'm gonna be real with you. He was like, go check in my car. I'm sure you'll find everything. The camera that he told me to bring, way too big for me. I think he overestimates my skills. So I just took the lamp and we're gonna stay on my phone for today. Maybe he'll explain to me how it works tonight, but this camera looked way too big for me to try it and take it. So we're going home. I have the light. It's gonna help because it's starting to get really dark fast here. I know I was supposed to clean my room. My apologies. But I finished him. Isn't he so cute? I think I picked the perfect utensils. I'm kind of scared for the eyes. It was, on Temu. Not on Temu, but it looked like from Temu and they were selling it on Etsy. So I don't want to get into those things. I'm not giving money to people who do that. I was scared it wouldn't work out with the black. It does work out pretty nice. I put it as a chain. You can remove it fast and put it on another one. The other bag doesn't really have a ring where I can attach this. So I'm thinking of sort of bracelet to my bag so that I can accessorize the other bag too. I didn't have to pay. Well, actually, that's not true. I did have to pay stuff, but way less expensive than if I bought it on Etsy, which is normal because the person would have worked to have it done, but I don't do it to myself. I think it's time to clean the room. It is a mess. It needs to be cleaned up, and I think it's a very good start for this 2026 makeover. If you're trying to get ready for 2026, we should clean together. You, me, so let's clean her room together. Let's go. Wait, I want music. How do I put music? We want Boss Lady. Let's go. Okay, I think the first part is mostly done. Now I need to take care of this guy. It's starting to be really dark outside, but this area is finished. I think the biggest last part is gonna be here. There's so much to do. Everything that's on top is to find a spot in there. help me wrap up some presents. I need to go pick up the boy. Completely forgot to finish the vlog. The guy is here.
The guy, I'm the guy. This new?
No, it was on the side, but I put it in my bathroom for a while and then I used it like as a stand for my phone.
It's for shoes, no?
I don't know how you put shoes on there. Yeah. So we're just gonna watch Pretty Little Liars. That's the plan. We are gonna watch Pretty Little Liars and then he's going back home. I cleaned my room as the guy behind.
What did I do?
He arrived before I cleaned my bathroom and my kitchen. Bathroom and kitchen is for tomorrow, and cleaning the car too. So I'll probably do this in the morning so that it's done. Then we'll tackle the list. I made this big list for makeover 2026. That was the vlog for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you probably tomorrow if I manage to be... What's the word? What's the word? Like when you're on time?
You just say on time.
Punctual?
Timely?
Punctual?
Punctual works, I think.
Yeah, I don't know. Anyways, all to say if I think of posting every day or if I find the time to post every day. Anyways, I hope that you had a good day and I hope you had fun cleaning your room with me.
Goodbye, YouTube.
Goodbye, YouTube.